Why? Well, can you wave to them? Can you wave? Wave! Wave! Oh, they're waving back! They're all waving, Ryder! Oh, that was so nice. They waved to you, right? Well, why would you stop them? Can I see your outfit? Like, how fleek are you? Is that a thing on fleek? You have a Star Wars hat, Star Wars shoes, and a Star Wars shirt on, but you're carrying Spider-Man. Ryder?
What?
Turn around. What? Did you have so much fun last night? Yeah, did you have a girlfriend now? Are you getting married?
Yeah.
Yeah? What is her name? You don't even know her name. Did she kiss you? Did she kiss you on the cheek? Yeah. Did you like it? Yeah. Did she hold your hand? Yeah. Did she feed you jelly beans? Did she feed you chocolate? Yeah. Did you guys dance?
Yeah.
Yeah, you danced so good.
And there's another part.
And also, you danced, you break danced, right? Like you were the coolest kid at the whole entire party. Well, other than Logie, but
Poor Logan.
poor Logie.
I swear, man, he gets around Liam.
Yep. To eat at the Economy Lube. Just kidding. We're going to Sunny's. Ooh, they're hiring. I don't know why I said that. They've been here since 1965. We came here so we could eat outside. What, Ryder? It's delicious. You're 4? No, you're not. What? You're 3, yeah.
Come on.
And horns. Wow, they're busy. Everybody had the same idea today. I don't even like. What's going on here? Oh, heavy door. Oh my god, that door's heavy. Did you find a puppy? And a bird too? Mommy got a bacon cheeseburger. Ryder got hot dogs and french fries. What'd Daddy get? Bacon cheeseburger. And I got lots of vinegar on my french fries. Because in Canada, we eat vinegar on our french fries. Look at these french fries. Amazing! We had so much food they had to bring it in a box. And that's a giant chocolate milk. And it is bright out here. And I love it because it's finally maybe summer. Is it summer? Is it summer? Yeah. We love this weather, right? Hot. You can blow on it. Good job.
I'm eating it.
Yeah. Did you see a little girl again? What's with you and the girls? Are you ladies, man?
Yeah.
Yeah. I love you.
Better?